Place value chart of 6-digit numbers. For 6-digit numbers, we have one more period called the lakhs period. Look at the place value chart of 6-digit numbers shown here. It has been divided into 3 periods. That is, the ones period, the thousands period, and the lakhs period. The ones period has 3 places, that is, ones, tens, and hundreds. And the thousands period has 2 places, that is, thousands and 10,000s. And the lakhs period has 2 places, that is, lakhs and 10 lakhs. However, for 6-digit numbers, we will only consider the lakhs place. Let us take 2 6-digit numbers, 1, 27694 and 487346, and see how we can write them in the place value chart. The number 1, 27694, can be separated into 3 periods as 1,27,694. The number 4,87,346 can be separated into 3 periods as 4,87,346. Example. Write the following numerals in a place value chart. A. 345,493. B. 845,726. C. 708,551. Solution.